guys, it's April. I hope you're having a wonderful crafting day. We have an Access subscriber mystery box with a brand new color cutie. This is True Magenta. You can click that link below and go grab this box and you can kind of see what's in here. We're going to go over it and talk about it. This is the World Cup Fever mystery box. My group code CUTIES does not work on the mystery box because it's an already incredibly discounted value at $59.99 and it has a retail value of $126.41. Cricut does not pay me to make these videos for you guys, but if you use my links down below, I will earn a small commission, and I greatly appreciate you using that link to help support the channel and the group. I will be making something from at least one item in this box, so go grab the box, come back, check out what's in it, and then come back for the tutorial at the end. Now, go ahead and add that group code CUTIES to your cart, even though it doesn't count on this box. It will be, once it becomes eligible, if you add other items to your cart, it will automatically kick in for you. So, let's go ahead and take a look. Of course, you're going to get True Magenta. Isn't she pretty? Love, love, love. That is the True Magenta cutie. I'll set her right here. And next we're going to talk about, this is the gel pen set. These are the 1.0s. This is the Suburbia Disturbia set. It has the cornflower, peach melba, trying to see the true yellow, bright teal, and fuchsia pens in there. Great, love those. They are fantastic for writing colored sentiments or drawing images on your cards. Fantastic. You're also going to get a set of the cutaway cards. This is a mixed set. This is a neutral sampler in the R40 size. You get 12 cards, 12 envelopes, 12 of the bases. And those are, you're getting 6 of the tan color and 6 of the, let's see, is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and 6 of the ivory. 12 envelopes, and then you're getting your insert cards. You're getting 12 of those in that gold metallic hologram. Love it. So you're getting those. These are going to make pretty Christmas cards too. You're going to get the t-shirt. This is a men's medium round neck t-shirt. You can use this for iron-on or infusible inks. You're going to get one of those. You're going to get premium vinyl. This is permanent in the gold color, and it is a 12 by 48 inch roll. 12 by 48. You're going to get the Sportflex sampler. This is, I'm sorry, it's not a sampler. It is a 12 by 24 sheet of the true blue and a 12 by 24 sheet of the red. So you're going to be getting those. You can use these for Christmas too, guys. You got Hanukkah and Christmas, blue and red. You're also going to get your poster board sampler. Now, I went ahead and pulled this out because I think I might use this today. I don't know. It's 12 by 12 sheets. There are 10 sheets, 2 of each color. You've got the pastel, that's like a pink. That's a little bit darker. This is more like a rose gold. And I like to call that one the mint. And then you've got one that's kind of blue and one that's sort of purpley. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up the difference on those, but they are 2 different colors. So 10 sheets of that you're going to get. And last but not least, you are going to get the standard grip machine mat. It is a pack of 2. So you're getting 2 of the mats. So 2 mats, the foil poster board sampler, 10 sheets of that. You're getting 12 of the cutaway cards in the neutral sampler R40 size. You're getting the gel pen set in Suburbia Disturbia. You're getting the 2 colors of the Sportflex iron-on, the blue and red. You're getting the permanent gold vinyl, and you're getting the men's medium size round neck t-shirt, and you're getting your magenta cutie. So go grab that box, come back, and let's make a project. Okay, so here we are over in DesignSpace, and this is something that I laid out. Remember I said I was going to show you guys maybe how to use something out of the box. I chose the foil poster board, and instead of doing something World Cup, I chose something for Christmas. Something that you could do a little neighbor gift for maybe. And I have found this box in DesignSpace. I did not design it, and then I went and found the images, and I've changed them to debossing. You will need the maker to do this, but if you don't have a maker, you can change this to all of your lines to score and use your scoring stylus. Now you won't get as good of a impression or depression on it, but you will get a nice depression. I've used the score tool before, and I was able to do it on others. Or you can change it to a pen and have it draw on some other of your regular cardstocks or things like that. The pens, you might be able to use the markers on this foil. So I'm just going to change that back to deboss. And I know that I can get two on a sheet, but it's going to make me flip them. So I am just going to take this and duplicate it. And then I am just going to rotate this, let's see, 180 degrees. And I'm going to bring that right in just like so. And I think, yeah, I might have to twist it just a little bit this way to get it in that 11.5-inch size. Not wanting to get there. So let's see. I know it'll fit. I just have to work with it. There we go. Now it's in that 11.5-inch range. That's the only thing you want to make sure of. And I'm going to attach. And I'm just going to leave it like this and save it for you guys. I didn't want to duplicate that. And save it for you guys so that you already have two to a mat. So you can get two boxes out of one sheet. And we're going to hit make it. And now you can see that it brought it in. It's wanting me to score, deboss, and use a basic cut. Now I am using my maker machine, so it is going to, that looks like it duplicated double. Let me just do some undo here. I don't want that. That's right, that's right. Okay, that looks right now. I just wanted to make sure I didn't mess up. So make sure that you're using the machine family that you wanted to use over on the canvas side. Don't need to mirror anything. We're just going to hit continue. And I'm going to go into popular material, and we're going to select foil poster board because that's the material. And now it's asking me to use my double scoring wheel. And it's not that this material is that thick, it's because of the type material. That double scoring wheel is going to give you a nicer fold, and hopefully we won't have any cracking of the material. And that's what it's going to help do. And then upcoming is my deboss tool. And I'm not going to use fast mode on this. It probably won't even give it to me. But I am going to say more pressure. I just always do when I deboss. I don't know if it changes anything, but I do it. So we're going to now load our mat. So let's go over to the machine so you guys can see. And we will, let's do this one. I think that you can see it. So I have my material on the mat. I have my double scoring wheel loaded, and I'm just going to load that mat up. And now it's going to score for me. Press that go button. Okay, and now it's going to ask me, let's go over and so that you can see that. And now it's asking me to put in that debossing tool. So we're going to open up this clamp and we're going to put in our debossing tool. Let's see, this one here. This one, the tip number is 21. Okay. And if you have just one tool, you can buy the tips. This is the quick swap housing. And then you just depress the button to change it and to put it back on. All right. And now you press that go button. And I am going to probably speed through this, but I'm still going to let you guys see it from overhead as it progresses. And then once that has stopped, we'll put in our cutting blade and cut. So let you guys watch this in fast motion. Okay, and now it is asking me to put in our blade, so we're going to take that out. We're going to put in our blade and hit the go button again and let that cut. Now you will need some tape, or I don't like to use glue on the foil poster boards, but some double-sided tape. This is called Easy Tear Tape by diycrafts. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, things like that. I'll just pull that out of there. All right, and now let's eject that mat. Okay, guys, sorry about that. My camera cut off on me. So I took my box apart here, and I simply added tape. I still have it on there. I simply added my tapes to the 4 tabs, like so. This tab on the side, and these 3. My sticky's still on there, so I'm going to use it. And you're going to peel those release liners, and then we're just going to work this around, and you're going to make sure that those edges are square, and you're going to stick those. And then you're going to fold this one in and this one in and create that box. Super fun, simple, and it came out gorgeous. I love it. Fill it with your favorite candies. Fill it with hot cocoa. Take your hot cocos, put it in a little decorative bag, put a bow on it, stick it down in there. They're going to be lots of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you on the next video. Happy crafting!